Which animals have the craziest adaptations? There are many adaptations animals make that seem crazy to us. The climate where the creatures live, predators that prey on some of them, and how they reproduce are essential considerations. Whether an adaptation is considered unusual may be in the eye of the beholder. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 8 most crazy animal adaptations. Starting off our list at number 8 is the wood frog, which can live in incredibly cold environments, even north of the Arctic Circle. Wood frogs are a true marvel, able to survive winters in one of the world's most frigid locations. These tree-dwelling frogs range from Alabama to Alaska, where most of the species lives. Up to 60% of the amphibian's body will freeze during the winter, allowing it to withstand winter lows of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. When spring arrives, the frogs thaw out and resume life as usual. Wood frogs are a species of IUC least concern as they are abundant throughout their natural range. At number 7 on our list of craziest animal adaptations, we find the horned lizard, which can shoot blood from its eye when threatened. The horned lizard, also known as the horny toad, shoots blood from its eyes when confronted by predators. These lizards, sporting horns all over their bodies, range from Central America through much of the western United States and can withstand reasonably harsh conditions. The color of their scales helps them blend in with rocks, providing an extra layer of protection. Horned lizards' IUC conservation status has not been evaluated. However, they face issues relating to a loss of ant populations due to pesticides and overall habitat loss. Landing at number 6 of craziest animal adaptations is the cuttlefish, one of nature's ultimate masters of disguise. The cuttlefish is a cephalopod with the ability to change colors. This unique animal's body is made up of millions of pigment cells that allow it to change its color and pattern. This process is unleashed whenever the cuttlefish moves its muscles, allowing it to transform when facing a predator threat. The creature is not only able to evade predators, but can also stun them by flashing its colors and squirting ink. Cuttlefish are IUC listed as near threatened, with habitat loss due to pollution, overfishing, and climate change cited as possible factors. Coming in at the number 5 position of craziest animal adaptations is the meerkat, which can see in the brightest sunlight because of its markings. The meerkat has black markings lining its eyes, which help provide extra protection by enabling better vision in strong sunlight. These creatures stand guard over the tunnels where their bands live. Because the markings help blot out excessive glare from the sun, they can see predators coming and bark to alert the others of their danger. This species has an IUC least concern status because of its high numbers in the wild. The opossum reaches our number 4 spot of craziest animal adaptations with the ability to play dead most effectively. The opossum is a marsupial native to North America, best known for playing dead very convincingly. Their ability to play dead makes many predators bypass them. In addition to being able to outwit predators by faking death, opossums may also be able to resist snake venom and also are unlikely to contract rabies because of their body temperature. Opossums are an IUC species of least concern with healthy populations. Our third most crazy animal adaptation comes from the Atlantic pygmy octopus, a master of disguise. The Atlantic pygmy octopus is one of 300 octopus species known to exist and can change its appearance to deter predators. One of the ways they can alter their appearance is to take on similarities of a rock. In addition to changing color and appearance rapidly, the octopus's high intelligence level allows it to find familiar, safe places again easily. Octopus species in general have an IUC least concern status. In the runner-up position of craziest animal adaptations at number 2 is the leaf-tailed gecko, which, as its name implies, can camouflage itself as a leaf. The leaf-tailed gecko has a unique adaptation that allows it to easily survive in its native Madagascar, the only location where it exists in the wild. This lizard's tail resembles a leaf, allowing it to easily blend in with the vegetation in the trees where it lives. Another advantage of the leaf-like appearance is being able to remain concealed when seeking prey. Unfortunately, despite their crazy adaptation, these lizards are near threatened because of human activity like deforestation. And coming in at number 1 on our list of craziest animal adaptations is the collared peccary, an animal which easily eats through cacti to get its nourishment. The collared peccary is also known as a javelina or muskhog with an adaptation allowing it to easily consume cacti and succulents. This species' strong jaws and large canines allow it to easily consume tough plant matter and a few smaller meat sources. Another way this animal has adapted to survive in its harsh environment is by having a 3-chambered stomach that breaks down cacti and similar plant matter more easily. Collared peccaries are an IUC species of least concern because of their large numbers and broad range. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe.